Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can invite members in your circle community whenever a new Typeform submission has been made. Now, you have a community regarding something. Now, let us say that you are running an old age home or you are doing some social service. Now you have created a community in your circle as a social service with the name Social Service Center. Now what will happen? Whenever you will create a type form with that name Social Service Center, and whenever the person who wants to help you with that center, they will submit the form by filling in your type form, they will be invited as a member in your circle community through their email. And when they will accept their email, they will automatically be added as a member in your circle community, and then they can help you with your social community services. So this is just an example. You can use it in other way also. There are thousands of ways you can use this automation. Now what we are going to do in this automation, whenever a person will submit his form through Typeform, the details from that form will be submitted to the circle, and here a new invitee will be created or a new member will automatically be invited through your circle account. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Typeform and Circle together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen.
And we are now back to our screen. So what do you have to do? You have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as you will do that, you have to press enter, and after that you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. And here I have two options: either I can sign in or I can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. You just have to sign in if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, you can go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will always take only 2 minutes for you to create it. And also I want to say that signing up will also give you 100 free tasks from our side every month, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in because I already have an account here. So you can see this is my account. I will just log in here, and these are my softwares. So what are we going to do? We are going to go for Pabbly Connect, and we are going to click access now. Now, once we will do that, you will see a new dashboard will open here, and you can see these are the automation workflows that I have been making and using for me and to teach you also. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to create a new workflow. Now, here I am going to give it the name. So I'll just go here and I will give it the name Typeform to Circle. Now I'm connecting Typeform to Circle, so I'm giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It is up to you. Now what will happen? Again, you will have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process, or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Okay. So what is happening here? We are having a Typeform response. So we are going to choose Typeform, then new entry. And here we will click on connect. Now what will happen? You can see we are going to go for add new connection, and here click on connect with Typeform. Whenever you will click on connect with Typeform, Typeform will ask you for the authorization, or I should say Pabbly Connect will ask you for the authorization of your Typeform, which you have to give access to, and just click on accept. And now let me tell you, Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data, and your data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Now, as soon as you will do that, you can see here you have a field with the name form. So what you are going to do, just look at your Typeform. Here you can see I have three forms. Contact form is PHP, a dying language in 2022, and registration form. So what I am going to do, I am going to select one of those forms, and I am going to choose registration form. So let me just show you registration form. This is my registration form. And here I have 4 fields. First one is first name, then last name, then email address, and then the contact number. So what I am going to do, I am just going to click on share, and I am going to open it in new window or in new tab. And here you can see this is my form. Now what I will do, here first I will go for save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, it will ask me for a response. So what will be the response? The response will be the entry which we are going to make in our type form. So now here I'm going to put in my details. So my first name is Arpit. So I'm just going for Arpit. My last name is Sharma. So this is Arpit Sharma and my email. Now here I have to use a valid email because we have to invite the member through his Gmail or through his email account. So I'm going to put this one here. And now what we are going to do, we are going to put in another dummy number here. Now I will just click on submit. And as soon as I will click on submit, you will see that an automatic response will be here in my Pabbly Connect account. And you can see this is the response that I have in my account here. And I have everything here, my email, my first name, my last name. This is my first name. This is my last name. This is my email. And this is my number. Okay. Now it's time for our second application. So here we are going to connect this circle with Pabbly Connect. So just click on circle. And here the action event. So what we are doing, we are adding a new member. So we are going to select the option invite member because we are inviting a new member and we are inviting him through the Gmail or the email account. So just click on connect and here you can see you can go for add new connection and now you have two options here. First one is the API token. Second one is the host. So API token, from where you are going to get this. So you have to go to the circle.so account, navigate to settings, API and create an API token. So I will just go here in my circle account. Now here what you have to do, you have to go to settings. First click on this, then go to settings. Okay. Now from settings, what it is saying, it is asking you to go to API. So just go to API. If you have any confusion, just, keep reading these information or I should say instructions and you will be able to do everything. So settings, API and then create an API token. So just go here and click on create an API token. So what I am doing here, I am connecting Typeform to circle. So I'm just going to click on create and you can see a new API has been created here. Just copy this API and just go here and paste it here. Okay. Now host. So what is the host? The host is the, what should I say, is this part pabblyconnect.circle.so, which you will have in your address bar, which means the name of your account, whichever name you have given to your account, .circle.so. So let me just go here. You can see here, the name of my account is Pabbly. So here pabbly.circle.so. Now your account name can be anything. It can be, abcd.circle.so. It can be superman.circle.so. It can be softwaretechnology.circle.so. It can be anything. So just copy it and paste it here and click on save. Now, as soon as you will do that, you will see that your circle is automatically connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now here you can see it is asking for my email, then it is also asking for my community ID, password, name, space ID, space group, and there are so many options, but I'm not going to use them all. I'm just going to use the required ones and the ones which I had in my Typeform. So here it is asking me for the email. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to use a technique which is called mapping. And mapping will let me take the data from this window here and it will let me put the data here in this window. So email will be, let us find the email. Okay, so email will be thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. But friends, here, I have made a mistake in my in my spelling. So what I have to do, I have to do that again because this is not a valid email and it will not take. Okay. So wait a minute. Let me just go to Pabbly Connect again and let me recapture the response so that I can do it in the right way. So let me just do it and come back really quick. Okay, I have done it and now I am back. Let me see if my right email address is here or not, correct email address. Okay, now you can see thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. Let us just map it. And my community ID is Pabbly. Obviously, I have already told you this is my community ID. Let me just go back here. And now what we are going to do, we are going to map in the first name. So the first name was Arpit. So this is the first name Arpit, and I'm also going to map in the last name here because I do not have separate fields for first name and last name. So I'm just going to map in my full name here, Arpit Sharma, space ID, space group ID. I do not want to put all those fields here. Bio, headline, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, website, avatar, nothing. So I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as you can see, it has been giving me a success response. So what we are going to do, first, we are going to go here in Pabbly and in members. You can see I do not have any member by the name thesocialfever@gmail.com. Now I have one incognito tab specially for you where I have opened my social fever Gmail ID. So I will just show that to you. Okay, so this is my the social fever 2020 @gmail account, and here you can see I have a notification. Ashira has invited you to join the Pabbly community on Circle. I'll just open it and I'll just accept the invitation. And now you can see I do not have any post here when I'm accepting the invitation. So first I have to make my account. So I have to go and I will just go and sign up with my Gmail. So I'll just quickly make my account and come back, okay? So you can see I have signed up and signed in my account, and here it is asking me for the full name. So I'm just going to put in my full name here, Arpit Kumar Sharma. And now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to change anything here right now, and I'll just go and click on continue. And after that, you will see that this is my new account, Arpit Kumar Sharma, and this is my profile. Okay. And here you can see I have my spaces, Pabbly Connect, and here I have these members. And now let me just go back to my account. Okay, so this is my main account, and here when I will go to members and when I will refresh it, you can see I have a new member here, Arpit Kumar Sharma. And now you can see this is me, and this is the space where I would have been, but I am not because I did not join this space. So what can I do? I can just go back to my account here and I can click on join space. And as soon as I will join space, now you can see I have been added to this space. Now I will go back here into my main account, and as soon as I will refresh it, you will see that one member has turned to 2, and now Arpit Kumar Sharma is also a member of this space. So friends, this is how you can add members to your account and to the Pabbly Connect space, or whatever the name you want to give to your space. But he has to accept the invite through his email, and also he has to join the space for that, and then only he will be shown into our account as a new member. So this is how you can connect your Typeform with your Circle account, and you can invite new members every time a new person will fill out your Typeform. And this is how you can use this beautiful workflow to automate your business and to automate your new ideas through Typeform and Circle. And if you want to copy and clone this beautiful workflow into your account, you can very easily clone it through my description box. But for that, you need to have your own account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future. And I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.